The Cat and the Warhorse. In a town, there was a cat. One day, a warhorse came through the town, and the cat was very impressed. The cat thought the warhorse looked very valiant and noble. The cat was especially impressed with the small bells the warhorse wore on its neck. The cat decided that it too would wear a bell on its neck so that it would intimidate the mice. The cat asked the warhorse if it could have one of the bells and used ribbon to tie it around its neck. When it had finished, the cat walked back into the house proudly, like a war hero, and the bell around its neck rang loudly. The mice soon noticed that the cat in this house had a bell around its neck. The bell helped to warn the mice when the cat was approaching. One of the mice said to its friends, "Look at that stupid cat! It thinks it is a noble warhorse and has no idea that the bell around its neck helps to warn us so we can escape." Foolish people reveal their stupidity through their actions without knowing it.